Sairam everyone, welcome to day 12 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today we are going to discuss about few more tricks in Microsoft Excel which is going to help you in your productivity to boost your productivity. So the first tip here is, suppose we are having a column here with name sales. In this column we are having all the sales values. Suppose I just wanted to know what is my running total for each and every day. That means I'll just show you. I just create a column here, an additional column. So in that column I just type running total here, running total. So what I just want is, I just want total of each and every day respectively. For example, if I take 1/6/2011, the total is 76671. If I wanted to calculate the total for 2/6/2011, it is nothing but the sum of total of 1/6/2021 at the same time 2/6/2021. That should reflect in this blank. I'll note it. See here the running total is 76671. But here the running total is nothing but this thing plus this thing, isn't it? Because till 2/6/2021 my total sale is 108,825, which is nothing but sum of these two things. So in order to calculate this, we have to write some formulas and we have to drag this down. But we have an easy method to do that. We have a default method to do that. So to do these kind of calculations, what you can do is you can just select the sales column. As you can see, there is some box like a shape structure has appeared, right? Just click on that. You can go to totals. You can go to the rightmost corner in the totals. You can see an option called as running total. As you hover on this option, you can observe that the running totals has already got printed on the screen. Just click that. Just click OK. Automatically your running totals got printed, as you can see it here. So this is trick number 1. Now come to trick number 2. For example, I just wanted to see what are the different kinds of products that my company is dealing with. So one of the options is I can just copy these products. I can go to a new sheet and I can paste them here. So but the headache is duplicates are also got pasted here. Suppose, as you can see, hair dryer, here there is a hair dryer. Here also there is something called as hair dryer. As you can see, duplicates are there. Here also there is hair dryer. So same product is repeating multiple times. So you can select this and you can go here and remove duplicates option you can use. But I will introduce you to a beautiful formula. It's a very powerful formula you can use. That formula is nothing but unique. UNIQUE. This formula is unique. Open the braces, select the column, just close it. So it will automatically fetch all the unique values from the column you have selected. This is tip number 2. So now tip number 3 is, suppose you have all your customer names here. You just wanted to create each sheet exclusively for a customer. Suppose you wanted to create a new sheet for Surya Karthi, you wanted to create a new sheet for Akshay Kumar, new sheet for Anushka Sharma, like that you wanted to create. So what you do actually is you can copy this, you can go here, you paste this. Once again you come back, you copy this, you go here, create a new sheet, you just paste here. So this is what you do actually. It is a monotonous work. It is very difficult to do that. So I'll introduce a new trick to you. So what you can do is, you can just go to sales data. You can start copying whatever you want. Like I'm copying Anushka Sharma. Once again I go to Darshan, I copy. I go to Dulquer Salman, I copy. Isha Dale, I copy. Fahad Fasil, copy. Janelia, copy. Hema Malini, copy. Kamal Hassan, copy. And Kareena Kapoor, copy. So what I do is I just open a new sheet. Now I just go to this option called as clipboard, which is in the home tab. I just click this drop down. As you can see, all the items which I have copied are here. So I can paste wherever I want. Suppose I just wanted to, now I paste in sheet 1 Surya. I go to another sheet, open it. I just paste Akshay Kumar. I just go to another sheet. I paste Anushka Sharma. I go to another sheet, Darshan. Like that I can do that. So I can copy multiple things at the same time, and I can paste them as per my choice. So this is another trick. So thank you very much for your participation. Tomorrow I'll be back with more tricks. Have a great day. Bye bye.